Hello folks, welcome back for another video with Outdoor Adventures Austin Miller. We got a train coming. And a high rail truck. Here comes a couple of the Super 7's. Yeah, blow that horn! Highest Central 4095 and a Highest Central 4096. How nice, they got a little horn show there. I think 4096 is the one that has the Conroe Quality logo on it. According to what YouTuber Ohio Northeastern Production says. Yeah, they put the Conroe Quality logo back on there. Yeah, they had a rail truck go by. Down that direction somewhere. You look closely right here, there's a new train track that Ohio Central and their crew has laid down. So now there's 8 tracks instead of 7. I mean, they probably got room for a couple more. But anyway, guys, if you like this video, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And hopefully get a couple more days of fishing done before the end of the year. Time to go out on a high note. But anyway, guys, stay tuned for more. Alright, folks, welcome back. You look closely over here, and Ohio Central saved one of their coal cars. It's got the letterings on there, OHCR for Ohio Central Railroad. Well, for the Ohio Central Railroad. So it looks like they didn't scrap all of them. So at least they saved a few of them for fill them with trash and stuff. Once they get the stakes and everything pounded down, they'll probably bring the Herzog stone cars down here like they did last time, lay the ballast down in between the rails. Hoping to get a video of that with my tripod, or if not, I use my phone again. But yeah, hopefully catch the ZVNK before the end of the year, but we'll see. Looks like they got some old ties or something. That one vehicle right there looked like it's spraying some kind of substance next to the tracks they just laid down, so it looks like, yeah. Looks like they're going to be adding another track down there. So, anyway, guys, stay tuned for more. Like I said, if you guys like this video, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hopefully I can get to 400 subscribers before the end of January. But first day of winter doesn't officially start till after 10 o'clock tonight. I don't know why it's so late though, but yeah, winter is almost here. So stinks the snow is gone, but it probably will be back in January, February. But we'll see. Anyway, guys, stay tuned for more. God bless you all. Keep it outdoorsy, slay some fish, and happy holidays and Merry Christmas. Even though it's not Christmas yet, but anyway, guys, happy holidays. And hopefully the Browns win over the Texans on Sunday, so they clinch a playoff spot for the first time in almost 2 years. Since, well, 3 years. Since 2020. First time in 3 years. But anyway, guys, stay tuned for more. God bless you. Stay safe out there, and happy fishing and happy train chasing. Go Browns.